Little town is a quiet village every day like the one before. Little town full of little people waking up to say, look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who'ses and what's galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I know you. I walked with you once upon a dream. But if I know you, I know what you do. You love me at once, the way you did once upon a dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. In dreams you will lose your heartache. Whatever you wish for, you keep. Have faith in your dreams, and someday my prince will come. Someday I find my love, and how thrilling that moment will be when the prince of my dreams come true. Look at me, I would never have asked for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. Can it be? I'm not meant to play this part. Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I would break my family's heart. Don't fail me now. Courage, don't desert me. Don't turn back now that we're here. People always say life is full of choices. No one ever mentions fear or how the world can seem so vast. On a journey to the window is open, so's that door. I did not need that anymore. We knew we all need thousands salad plates. For years roamed these empty halls. Why have a ballroom with no balls? Finally they opening up the, what's the word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What I give to return to the life that I knew lately, and to think I complain of that dull provincial town. And you never hear the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, for whether we are white or copper skinned, we need to sing with all the voices of the mountains. We need to paint with all the colors of the wind. I don't know when, I don't know how, but I know something's starting right now. Watch and you see, someday I'll be. Yes, let this be